How are you doing today?
Yeah, right.
Good. So what roles does visualization play in achieving goals?
Yeah, so the visualization experience is profound, right? I just turned on the fans and I don't know if they're going to make noise around. So we'll start the video over in a sec.
Okay.
Let me just see if they squeak.
Okay.
Oh, shoot, they're okay. All right, so visualization is super valuable. The brain doesn't really differentiate necessarily between what happens in the mind's eye and what happens in reality. So you can really train yourself. I used to sit in meditative states and visualize shooting like really low rounds of golf or birdieing the first 4 holes. I've had so many cool experiences on golf courses, not really directly related to practice, but related to visualizations, right? And then being able to see and feel in your mind's eye. It's a combination of the two that's invaluable here, Valencia, right? The seeing and feeling. You can see it, and then the more you feel it, the more you draw it to you. Pretty special stuff.
Thank you.